Hi everyone, this is our English lesson for today. So this week we are going to be looking at adjectives, nouns and verbs. And so rather than going through the little red hen story, I'd like you to still keep practicing and still keep reading it at home just so you're keeping familiar with it. But I just thought it'd be a good opportunity to have a look at some of our grammar work and think how we can make our writing even more interesting. So when we come back to school, we've got loads of ideas to share with each other, okay? So, the first thing we are going to discuss is what is an adjective, okay? We spoke about this lots in school at the moment, so I feel like you'll all be able to tell me what is an adjective. Amazing. An adjective is used to describe something, and it usually describes the noun, which is a person, a place, or a thing, isn't it? So let's read this sentence. Mrs. Cockram has hair. Okay, so I've got a capital letter because for Mrs. and Cockram because that is my name. So I said Mrs. Cockram has hair. So this is the noun because it's a person, a place, or a thing. It's a thing, isn't it? Let's include an adjective to describe my hair, which is the noun in this sentence. So I want you to think of your own sentence first, maybe write your own, pause this video and write your own sentence first, because then I will show you the sentence that I did on the next slide. So let's see if we've got the same ones. Pause this and write your own sentence about Mrs. Cockram's hair. Oh, please be kind to me. Right, so if you pause that, great. Otherwise, we'll just get back to this and we'll have a look at the sentence I did. Mrs. Cockram. So I highlighted my nouns because I am the noun and my hair is a noun. And I highlighted it in blue where my adjectives are. Let's read it together. Mrs. Cockram has long blonde hair. This adjective here, long and blonde, it just makes that sentence a bit more interesting because Mrs. Cockram has hair. Mrs. Cockram has long blonde hair. Just makes it sound more interesting, doesn't it? It makes my hair seem a little bit less boring, I think. Okay, let's have a look at this next bit. Now it's your turn. Okay. Can you include an adjective in this sentence? So I've got here, my cat likes to sleep. My cat likes to sleep. Can you use an adjective? You can use one of these ones if you want, or make up your own. So pause the video again. You're going to read this sentence. My cat likes to sleep. I would like you to change that sentence and use an adjective in that sentence, please, if you can. Okay, I cannot wait to see what you've used for your adjectives in this sentence. I think I might put, my big fluffy cat likes to sleep. Or we could have, my black fluffy cat likes to sleep. My cute grey cat likes to sleep. So you could have actually used more than one adjective there, couldn't you? You might have used one that's not even on this list. We've got the words here, fluffy, big, small, black, grey, lazy, cute. Okay. Your task today for English is going to be to write some sentences and include adjectives in them from this list that I'm going to show you. You can underline your adjectives using a different colour if that is going to help you. So can you see in Mrs. Cockram's, I highlighted the adjectives here in blue. So if you want to highlight them or just underline your adjectives, that would be amazing. So let's have a look. Here is your list of adjectives. So we've got adjectives to describe people. We've got adjectives to describe objects. We've got adjectives to describe feelings. We've got, oh, they're comfortable feelings. So like happy feelings. They're when you're feeling they're not so great feelings here, uncomfortable feelings. We've got size adjectives and time adjectives, okay? Challenge yourself. Should we read some of the words together first? We've got the word adorable, adventurous, aggressive, annoying, beautiful, caring, confident, clumsy, considerate, it's got confident again there, excitable, glamorous, grumpy, happy, helpful, important, intimidating, obnoxious, and odd. The word intimidating means that you might, if you're intimidating somebody, you might be making them feel a bit worried and a bit scared. By intimidating someone, you're making them, yeah, feel worried or scared or something like that. Let's have a look at this. Bright, clear, distinct, drab. Drab means like a bit boring, a bit like, oof. Elegant could mean that like beautiful or really precious. Filthy, gleaming, grotesque. Oh, I like that word, grotesque. That means something's like disgusting. Long, magnificent, precious, sparkling, spotless, strange. I would challenge you to use maybe some words in these because it might get more difficult here. Oh, but we've got like here little, large, huge. So use some of these adjectives to describe something. So you're going to have a really good think about this, about what you're going to use. So you can pause your video here and look at some of these words. And if you don't know what they mean, either leave them or write them down and ask Mrs. Cochrane what they mean next week. Or you could ask your grown up at home what they mean if you wanted to, okay? But I'd go with words that you know the meaning of them, okay? So I'm gonna pick I'm gonna just pick this first word here. When Peggy was a puppy, she was so adorable. When Peggy was a puppy, she was so adorable. Quite like that sentence. I'm going to pick another one. I'm going to go, ooh, I'm closing my eyes. When it stops, I'm going to pick that word. Right, what word am I on? Oh, I'm on the word awful. Okay, let me think of a word. Um, awful. Oh, it's gone back. Where is it? Where is it? Right. Today, the weather is awful. And it is because it's raining whilst I'm recording this video. This is your English lesson for Wednesday, but I'm recording this on Tuesday and it's chucking it down at the moment. The weather today is awful. Okay, so that's what you can use. You could even like pause it on this page if you want to press it, circle your finger and just press a word and then write a word in that sentence. Make it into a game. Okay, that is your task for today. I hope you have a lovely day and I shall see you on Zoom later on. Okie dokie. Bye everybody.